Let me show you how you can swap your Rust coin. You need your NC wallet, and then when you swap it to the NC wallet, you can convert it to USDT. Hey guys, if you want to know how to do this, you have to stay to the end of this video, and then also at the end of the video, I will show you where you can start mining this Rust coin. Alright, you're just going to click on create from the main app. From create, you're going to go to this place that is going to allow you to sign up. Alright, so after signing up with your email, right, it's going to ask you to do what? Sign in. You're all set. So you're going to click on start. So by the time you click on start, it will ask you to produce a pin that you'll be using to access this wallet. All right, so I just did that now. That is my pin. So you're going to click on allow. This is the NC wallet. As you can see, it is 0 USD. There is nothing inside. All right, so since you have it in the same phone, you're just going to go back to the main app. All right, the main mining app that we all know. So you're going to go back to that main mining app. So when you go back to that main mining app, it is going to automatically sync. All right, so look at the wallet here. You can see, let's search for the coin. You see, we have the Rust coin here. All right, the Rust coin. As you can see, this is the value of one Rust coin. One Rust coin is approximately 0.992 cents. All right, it's approximately $1. So if you are not mining Rust coin, then you are missing, right? You are missing. So I'm going to take you now to the main mining app, right? This is our app, right? As you can see, this is the figure I have. Automatically it is syncing, right? Because it has sensed that I have an account related to the same email that I used to create it. Mind you, you must use the same email that you use on this app. You must use the same email so that it can easily link. All right, so from here now, I want to put the figure that I want to withdraw from this mining app to my NC wallet, where I can convert it to USDT. I just did that. Now I'm going to hit send rocks, which is the coin. All right, I just did that now, and approximately you're going to see success. All right, it has gone. That is the success message. Transfer completed. So it's going to ask you to create a pin. If you want to, yes. If you don't want to, you can go on and still use the app like that. All right, you can go on and still use the app like that. Guys, I want you to know that this thing is new and you have to rush into it. Now you know how it is. I've just gone to check the wallet, and as you can see, this is the withdrawal. Look at the date there, 27th October. It is still on and it's going on. So this is the wallet. As you can see, my deposit, right? These are coins that I have there as deposit. See the Rocks coin here. It is showing 0.0028. All right, so I'm going to do what? Swap it. Show you how you can swap it to USDT. All right, I will swap it. So I'll just click on this, and this is how you can swap it to USDT. So guys, go ahead and mine. And now I want to tell you how you can get access to this link. Now check the comment section. You're going to see the link to my Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel. Choose anyone you want to join, and then when you get there, you will see the link to sign up and start mining this Rust coin. As you can see, one Rust coin here is approximately 0.998 cents, which is approximately $1. So guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you're not going to miss my next video. All right, next video is going to be something that's definitely going to profit you. I also show you how you can use your digital skill to make money. See you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.